In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move Steam save files to another computer. We'll walk through two reliable approaches. First is Steam Cloud, which is the easiest when a game supports it. Second is Steam's built-in backup and restore feature, which is great when you want a full backup you can move yourself. I'll explain what to click, what to look for, and a few simple checks to make everything go smoothly. Let's start with Steam Cloud. On your old PC, make sure you are online and that the game you've been playing is closed before you begin. Open your Steam library and look for the small cloud icon next to the game's name. That icon indicates whether the game supports Steam Cloud and if it's synced. If you've recently played, launch the game briefly, then exit to the main menu and quit so Steam can upload the latest save. Give it a moment to finish syncing. You can also glance at the bottom of the Steam window for any sync messages. The key is to let Steam fully update your save data before moving on. On your new PC, sign in to the same Steam account. Install the game and launch it once. Steam will automatically download your saves as the game starts. When the main menu loads, check that your progress or save slots appear as expected. If they don't show up right away, close the game, confirm Steam Cloud is enabled for that title in its properties and relaunch. Remember, Steam Cloud only works for games that support it. So if here is no cloud icon or syncing status, use the backup method next. Now, let's cover the backup and restore feature. On your old PC, open your Steam library. Right-click the game, choose Manage. Then select Backup Game Files. Pick a destination with enough free space and let Steam create the backup. This process packages the game data into a folder you can move easily. When it finishes, copy that backup folder to your new PC using an external drive or your preferred transfer method. On your new PC, open Steam and click Steam at the top left. Choose Restore a previous backup. Point Steam to the backup folder you just transferred and follow the prompts. Let the restore complete without interrupting it. When it's done, launch the game to confirm your saves and progress are there. That's it. Thanks for watching.